makes it sound like we're going to cook something.
Are you guys going to be cooking now?
No, we're not cooking anything. But we are going to talk about the Today's Special Value up first, right at 8 o'clock. So keep that in mind. All right.
I'll be with you in that show, too.
I know.
have something really cool coming in that show.
Yep.
Okay.
Right, so let's talk about the largest container LocknLock has ever offered you.
Yes.
60,000 have been sold. You guys always wait for this. It's on sale today. Instead of $33, it's $29, free shipping and handling, saving you $5.50 there. So what is that? That's $8.50 off today. 3 easy pays at $9.99. You want to use that Q card? Use the Q card, get 5 easy pays. If you want to use your code, and remember, you can only use that code once. Use the code THANKYOUVIP. You can take 20% off of one item using your Q card today for a maximum of $20.
All right, Kat. So this is the big one, right? So
Definitely.
This is where you're going to be able to put your bulk foods in here. You're going to be able to put the dog food. And what's great about these is that you get the double handle, so you can pick these up and then it collapses down, which is really, really nice. So you can stack them like we did. Because let's be honest, you're going to stack a lot of things in here. You're going to store a lot of things, I should say, and then stack them. And then the colors are over there. Yeah,
you can see what's inside.
That's what I love.
Is
you can.
Awesome.
Absolutely.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. All right. I'll just quickly go through. The body of it is clear, obviously. Here's spearmint. Here's platinum. We haven't seen that color yet this morning. Here's plumberry. Here is your golden sand, which is almost like a champagne color. Really pretty. Forest green. Most limited in the forest green, 300 to go around. Here's red. Here's clear, and then this is your denim blue. So you can see through the container. It's got little wheels on it too. So if you made it really, really heavy, it couldn't be any more convenient. 88 cups can go in here if you are going to take something out of, maybe take the rice out of the bag or something like that, or the dog food. We do prescription dog food in our house, so that's expensive.
It's expensive. The wheels on that denim blue will be denim blue, by the way. That has the...
Oh, okay.
That's okay. I just wanted everyone to know the wheels match back.
Okay. The wheels on the bus go round and round.
And they match right back. Okay. So...
LocknLock.
They sure do. I mean, okay, this is probably just for our part of town around here, but today we're all going to be watching this game. But no, really, if you're going out tailgating or if it's a gift for somebody, how cute is this? Maybe it's your favorite team, it's the blanket, it's the mug, it's the, you put the chips in, you do all the fun things. So it could be for a gift for, like we talked about earlier, baby showers and wedding showers. How perfect, though, for a baby shower. Put diapers in here, the lotions, the potions, all the little cloths.
I hadn't gone to showers for years, and now Nicole's friends are getting married. Two of them got married, and now they're having babies. I'm like, so I went to a wedding shower, and I was just, people didn't bring things in a bag. They were very creative. They brought them in baskets. They brought them in boxes.
I know, and it's so cute what everyone's doing now. Yeah. Now, I just wanted to move that there. Also, I mean, for today, we're going to get a lot of snow around here today. They're predicting a lot of snow. So what about all your ice melt? You could put it in here, take it out of that bag, and then scoop it all over the area that you need. Oh, we do have a guest.
Oh, we do have a guest.
Rick, right here, bud. I made room.
There you go, bud.
Chocolate banana bread pudding, 8 a.m.
I'm ready for it.
You get some. You get some.
Okay, remember you said that in about 10 minutes.
I will.
Come off the air.
And it's all with today's special value, by the way.
Okay.
Incredible story from La Crusade, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So that in our Now You're Cooking Day, free shipping and handling, and a lot more coming up at 8 a.m. Bacon Sunday Spray with Pat and Rick. Long pause. Okay,
he really is making
Thank you, Mr. Rick.
Is he not?
Much appreciated. He is making Sunday Spray, without a doubt.
Yes.
We all love him.
So the Barbies, the dolls, the toys, the Legos, the blocks, all of those things that need a home. This 88-cup LocknLock is now the home for all of that. It's the home for your important documents and papers because it's airtight, watertight. This is also BPA-free. You could put food in here. Maybe it's that big family reunion or the holidays and you're bringing the big pasta salad, or you're putting the fried chicken in here, or you're putting the like even the breads in here, different types of things. Feel safe to eat out of this, serve out of this as well. I mean, I know it would be a lot, but hey, we've got those times when we have a lot of food. Okay, Go ahead.
Go ahead. No, I was just going to say, how about all of the things that we baked with that we still have some flour left and some sugar left and chocolate chips and the things that we bought when they went on sale after the holidays. What do you do with all those?
Yeah, and then a lot of times you'll hear so many people say, where do all the baked goods live, Pat? They live at the bottom of the pantry closet, like they go on the ground, or some people say it's in my garage on a rack or in the basement, right? Maybe not always in the cabinet you reach for most, so you don't want the critters to get in there, right?
I was thinking that one.
Yeah, when I said the garage or things like that, but let's be honest, you run out of room in your house and you don't want to have to rebuy these things. They're expensive. So you put it in, let me show this while I have it open. There's that airtight seal, airtight, watertight, so nothing's getting in, right?
I mean, obviously you're not going to put it in your microwave.
No unwanted little buddies coming to visit, okay?
Yeah. I love that idea. Absolutely love that idea.
You just lock it and lock, and there you go. And you have that handle, that double handle where they collapse down.
She could bring it upstairs from the basement, whatever the case may be. If you are a crafter, gosh, one of my biggest ahas when I learned to craft and started into the world of crafting is, you need 2 eyes and they come in a pack of 100. What do you do with the other 98 eyes now, right?
It's so true. I have that little pack of eyes in my
Right. Even the candy eyes that you use when you cook, they come in a big tall thing. So, or maybe, and I was just saying this morning, my goal this year, I haven't started it yet, is I would like to learn to decorate. I watch way too many decorating shows.
Love to decorate.
So my sister Deb got me all these wonderful, things, all the equipment to learn to decorate. I just need to, start it.
I find it hard. I know you already know how to decorate.
No, I don't.
Okay.
So, all that goes in here. Maybe school supplies go in here.
The extra food, like when you go and you get it on sale, because why not? Maybe before you said, I don't buy things when they're on sale because I don't have anywhere to put it all, right? I don't have the room. Now you do. You have the container to put it all in and store it now. So you have those bulk items that can go in here too. Maybe it's all the K-cups when you go to those big bulk stores and you have to get, 5,000, K-cups when you just need to refill, Now you place them in here.
Remind me again, Tony, 700 have already been ordered. 700 already ordered. I was thinking if you can swing it today, especially because it's on sale and it's got free shipping and handling. And listen, this is a $5.50 shipping and handling. So if you could swing it, 3 Easy Pays at $9.99 if you're using any major credit card. Maybe pick up that second set on this. I love the idea of maybe you're a grandmom or you're an aunt and you've got coloring books. I can still remember as a kid exactly where my Grammy kept the coloring books that we colored and the can that she put the crayons. That's when we knew where exactly to go when we went to her house. Here's an opportunity to be able to do that as well, to keep yourself organized. Maybe it's hair things. Maybe it's dog toys and treats and things like that for the dog.
Maybe it's the toys for your grandchildren and you just put them in here. When they come to visit, you take them out, which is really easy to do. So I love this for the dog toys. I love it for a gift, like we talked about with the baskets earlier, or you just said that about this as well. You could put everything in here, put a bow around it, and it's just the perfect gift. So I do love that.
Well, I think a lot of us are downsizing.
Of course.
It just, I love that. Look at all the wool in here. Sorry, I totally got distracted.
I don't want to cover you up. Hold on one second. I'm just going to get to this. And then I'm going to bring this back down.
But even your seasonal linens and towels and things like that.
Like we have Valentine's Day in here, which is fun. So when you're going to look for all your different holidays, you know where to find them. Maybe red's for, the Christmas or Valentine's, right? Green could be for spring, all the Easter things you may be bringing out, right? Which is really nice. So here's all that yarn that you're going to be able to knit with. And I love that. It could be swatches of fabric in here. It could be a lot of beading in here that you do, right? It's all those different things.
We all have stuff.
Yes, we all have stuff that we refuse to part with.
Yes, exactly. Because maybe we got it on sale, or maybe, you're using it little by little. All right, spearmint. This is going to be your platinum. Here is your plumberry. Here's golden sand, forest green, very limited in forest green. Here's the red for Valentine's Day, as we were talking about. Here's the clear, and then here's your denim blue. The wheels will be denim blue.
They will be.
And there you can see everybody's going to get that clear body. 1,000 of you have already ordered this. That's a good buy. I mean, you're saving $8.50. Gosh, just on the shipping and handling, you're saving $5.50 on this. So go ahead, put it in the cart. These aren't always available. When we can get them, we're always very excited. Largest container lock and lock offers to date, anyway.
Pat,
Thank you, love.
It always goes too fast, dear.
I know.
I'm
7
back
o'clock?
with a 7 p.m. hour
Okay.
show, but I'm in with you at 8.
Yes, you
and
are.
then I'm in the kitchen with David around 3 o'clock.
All right,
So
we
I'll
love
see you
it.
guys all day.
All right, be careful
Thanks
in
so
the
much,
snow.
friend. Good
All
seeing
right.
you.
All right, so we're going to take a quick break. We've got Looking on the Bright Side with Rick and Pat coming up next, and we're going to start with the Today's Special Value, so stay with us. We'll be right back.